Story time with sisters.
Reading English book with Nyla. Hello everyone. Today we will read this book, Clifford's First School Day. I'm Emily Elizabeth. Every day I ride to school on my dog Clifford. Clifford is too big to go inside. Clifford hasn't been inside the school since he was a tiny puppy. I took him one day for show and tell. All the kids wanted to pet my very tiny puppy. Miss Pearson liked him too, but she said it was time to begin our day. First, she put out the finger paint. I love finger painting. Clifford got right up on the table. He sniffed the yellow paint. Oh my, the jar tipped over. Clifford found out that paint is very slippery. Miss Pearson said Clifford was a good artist. He made a beautiful yellow picture. We couldn't leave Clifford all covered with paint. Miss Pearson thought that some water play might be a good way to get him clean. Tim had made a boat out of a milk carton. Clifford was a perfect captain for the boat. Captain Clifford climbed the mast to look around, and that's how we got the paint off. Miss Pearson dried him up. She said we were going to make cookies next and Clifford could watch. That would keep him out of trouble. While Miss Pearson rolled out the cookie dough, Clifford got curious about the bag of flour. Oops! Clifford made another mess! Miss Pearson said it might be a good idea for Clifford to play outside. We all went out to the playground. I thought Clifford would enjoy the slide. He wiggled out of my hands and went down the slide by himself. He landed in the sandbox. We helped the kids rebuild their sandcastle. We made Clifford the king of the castle. He loved that. Then it was lunchtime. I shared my sandwich and dessert with Clifford. He gobbled up his sandwich, but he didn't know how to eat the dessert. Poor Clifford chased the wiggly cubes all over the floor. The other kids thought that was funny. The end. Bye!